Today we will learn about mode, and simultaneously we will try to make two charts. One is called histogram and the other will be pie chart. Okay, so first mode means the maximum number which has occurred. A number which have occurred a maximum time is called mode. The number which have occurred maximum time, what it means? Suppose I have taken an exam of 10 students, and these are my data. Let me have some beautification to it, all borders, and now the marks is out of 10. So 1 2 5 5 4 3 5 8 9 9 9 and again 9. Suppose these are the marks of my students. Now I need to find the student who have got, I want the marks which has repeated the maximum times. So on one shot you can see that 9 is the number. But suppose that there are almost 100 students who have given the exam. So it will be very hard and difficult for me to find out that which marks has repeated the maximum time. So what we will do, equals MOD and DE, mode, and then select these marks 1 to 9 and close, and you will get 9. That's all. So this is the answer. So I hope you would understand how to find the mode in one shot. Clear?